Hi, today I want to remove the passenger seat because there is a really small, tiny, like that, hole in a floor. Oh, it should be pretty straightforward. There is 16 volt on both sides. Oh, money. That's nice. Okay, I'll remove the carpet. There is a bit of mess here. Okay, I'll probably try to remove the first one and we'll see if I need to remove also the second one in the front. Let's go. One bolt off. That's the second one. Oh dear. Who I think I need to remove also this one. Will it work now? Yeah. Nice. Yeah, so 16mm socket plus couple of extension will do the job. That's it for rear. And here we have two plastic covers on the nuts. 1, 2. Nice. First. And second. The way is free. Seems like yes. Okay. Huh? I was looking for that. It's missing in the engine bay. Cool. Okay, mess everywhere. Yeah, I'm just go and unplug the battery real quick. I don't think that it's necessary to unplug the battery, but I'm not risking any stupid urban glide or something like that, so. Huge yellow plug, so gonna to unplug it. Ah, nice. And the seat is free. Pretty huge mess here, so I'm gonna put a bit of work here. Vacuum cleaner. That's fine for now. I'll clean it deeply after completion. Okay, unplug out. The second one as well. Now remove all these plugs. Don't want to go for a screwdriver. Can do it? No. So the bigger one. Cool. Four plugs out. Now I will need some plastic tool, right? Or no? Yeah, I think so. I don't want to destroy it. Okay. That should work. No? Something's happening here. And these here are those plugs. Really love them. Can I shift it somehow? Just unclip it or no? Ha! And without breaking. Oh no, one. No, it's not broke. He never was there. Cool. I will try to force him using that. I'm ready to break him. I don't care now. Okay, officially broke, nice. I need to replace it. Now the wheel is free. Hack. That's it. Where is the hole? Where are you? You sneaky bitch. Come. Come to me. Nice. That's it. Ho, ho, ho. I got you. Yep. And that's it. Okay. Well, it will be funny. It's not that bad. I've seen definitely worse than that. This is fixable, but yeah, not good either. To be honest, I've expected worse, definitely worse condition than this one. So yeah, it's probably caused by, I don't know, since this one is convertible, probably because of the constant leaking through the roof, and yeah, or just, well, Yep, that's it. I need to deal with that.